It is Monday evening and I'm off to get a washing machine. So I thought you guys might like to come along for the ride. Play some music. The music will have to wait. I just went past a boiler, lead wash red. It's got a red tank. Where was it? It was here somewhere. Oh, where is it? Oh, where's that gone? It was here just a minute ago. What the hell? There it is, there it is, there it is. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Oh, it's not. It's not. I saw a red tank and I thought it was a lead wash. But it's not. But it's a boiler. Woo! Oh man. Alright, let's go get some washing machines, shall we? Oh. Right, where were we? Well, the washing machine was a fail. I got there and she goes, oh, I can't get it out, I'll have to turn the water off. And I can't go without water all night, I've got a baby. I goes, just turn the cog off underneath the sink. She's like, oh no, there isn't one. I goes, there must be, there's always one. I said, I can take it out for you if you want. She said, no. She said, I'm getting another one tomorrow, and when they put that one in, they'll take this one out, and then I'll re-advertise it again. I goes, well, you don't need to re-advertise it, just give me a call. She goes, no, I'd rather re-advertise it. So you what? Are you some sort of stupid bitch or something? I never said that, that's what I was thinking. I've just driven through rush hour traffic. I can't even talk, see, I'm so stressed. I've just driven through rush hour traffic. Look at this van. That's what you get for buying French. It is a Peugeot. The last Peugeot I saw on fire was right on the forecourt, just up the road there. It was brand new, and they'd just driven it off the forecourt, and it set on fire. Good old La Frenchy Peugeot. Yeah, so anyway, yeah, the washing machine. It's lucky she didn't get clotheslined. So either she was just tickling my balls, or the appliance guys got in touch and offered her some money for it. That's what I think's going on. It's the appliance guy, there's two of them, there's two brothers. One's doing the collecting and one's constantly on the computer. Taking all the good stuff. The bastards. Hello and welcome. Welcome to a Vandal vlog video. And it is Tuesday evening. I did not go out this morning because I've been a very busy boy, hence all the dirt on my hands. I've been stripping a boiler and taking out the shelf in the back. That was until I was interrupted by Huntley's, my scrapyard, and they asked me if I wanted some air conditioning units.
Junction 3, use the left lane to take the M271 South exit to Southampton Docks.
Thanks. They said, would you like some air conditioning units? We've had a call from a customer, they just want them gone. Do you want to pick them up? And I was like, yeah. Yes, please. So the deal is, I'm just going to go there, pick them up.
Use the left lane to exit at junction 3.
Use the left lane to exit at junction 3. And they said, yeah, pick them up, scrap them out. There's aluminium, copper radiators in there, and lots of copper and all sorts of stuff. The pots. They have been professionally uninstalled.
300 yards at the roundabout, take the first exit onto M271.
So there's no Freon in them. So yeah, I just got to go there, pick them up, like a boss. So I won't be able to film it, I don't think, but I'll let you know. Once I've picked them up and found somewhere quiet to pull over, we'll have a good look at them. And I'll show you what I got, if I don't crash. Right, see you guys momentarily. We won't be doing much scrapping if this carries on. This is getting to be a joke now. It's May. Why do you do me like this? I'm going to go and check the honey hole anyway, just in case. And then I'll park up and I'll show you what we got. What we got is pretty damn good. I do so myself. Oh yes. Are you guys seeing this? We got lots of stuff here. Copper, copper, copper. Check this out. Twin motors. Copper rad. There's loads of it. Have you ever seen a flute that big? That. And a couple of pots. That thing there. Let me just put my finger for reference. Is that the biggest flute you've ever seen in your life? Look at all this on here. Another two motors, another rad. They're huge. Surely they're going to be worth a couple of quid. I mean, look at that. That is a lot of copper on there. It's going to be a lot of work getting it off. I've also got two of these ones as well. They've got brass, you probably can't see, it's too dark, but they got copper and brass on them as well. Not as much as that one, but they've got some stuff in there. You know, you've got some wire, you've got copper pipes running around it. What's left to be shearing, but these things, some nice brassy bits. I presume that's brass as well, is it? Oh, we're gonna have some fun ripping these apart. And then obviously you got these. And Joe at the yard said just cut them open, it could be copper. I'm not too sure. All the gas is out. That was done professionally by the installers, so I don't have to worry about that. Don't know what that white tank is though, does anyone know? It's a bit rusty, but yeah. They're pretty long. That's good times. So shout out to Huntley's for sorting me out. Here's the rest of the shelf. That's all I've got left. I've got a couple more bolts to cut off at the bottom, but my batteries have run out. And the rest is just junk. There's a bunch of alley down there. But yeah, I need to crack on and start cutting these up. I've got a little bit of battery left in that drill from my reciprocator. I'm just going to spend the next 10-20 minutes starting to cut some copper out. And I'll get back to you guys shortly. Them radiators, they go all the way down there. That's crazy. Be a nice bit of shearing as well. So right, I'll start on, I think I'll start on that one and see what I can cut off in the next couple of minutes. That's what it looks like now. It won't look like that in a minute. Copper, copper, copper. Doesn't look much on there, but I mean it's not a lot there, it's only a few kilos. Oh. I've never seen a maraca that big before. What's the size of that bad boy? There's two of them. There's a good bundle of it there. Still got the compressor to go. We've still got two massive rads. I'm gonna have to, I'll run a precipitator across there once I've got them out. Got this in here, some nice copper bits in there. Got a transformer here. Some nice aluminium. These will have a motor in them each. And yeah, same with that one. Just need to get them out. It's raining and my reciprocator's just run out of battery. I'm going to try and squeeze these in here, see if we can get out tonight. Ooh, my biggest fan. Ah. They're heavy, still heavy. Oh, so, don't know how much they're going to weigh. I'm going to cut them off. Yeah. Should be good. Oh, got some brassy bits here. Some brassy bits and stuff. I take it that's brass on there, is it? Anyone know what these white things are, what's inside them? They've got copper pipes going on to the inside of them. So that'd be interesting. What's in there? You got that one and you got the big one. If anyone knows, can you let me know please? That'd be really good. But for now, that's it. I'll get these tidied up, get them back here, and either go scrapping in the morning or tonight, or I might just have to get up in the morning and take these apart. Be interesting. I mean, it looks like a lot of copper, but there's not really a lot there. Oh, I doubt there's got to be like 5 kilos or something maybe. That's all right. It's 25 bucks I guess, and whatever I get out of these, a bit of shearing, see what I get out of them. I'm guessing aluminium. But I could be wrong, I just want to know what's in these things here. I might just cut the top off one of these and find out. Then I've got these to do. But yeah, that's it for now guys. And I'll get back to you later. And hopefully we got this in a better condition than what it already is. And here is what's left of the air conditioning units. So these are twin. They had 2 of them on each side, both doubles. Obviously I need to cut all these copper off It's getting a bit late at the moment. There's loads of it on there. And on that side. If anyone knows what's in these, can you let me know? I don't know. These are the pots, but there's two of them. They're like twin pot things. I don't know what's in them, but if anyone knows, can you let me know? I'm going to cut these open because I'm dying to see what's inside them. There's all the wire and stuff. Let's cut the motors. There's one of the transformers. The other one. Where's the other one? Oh, it must be still attached to that box. It's one of the motors. There's the little motors that are inside. They've got 4 each. And these are the fan motors. God, they're quite hefty, them. But check that out. You ever seen a flute that big? But they're not flutes because there's nothing in them. I cut one open, it's just pure copper. Look at that. It's got to be a kilo of copper there. So yeah, I think that'd be more than 5 key. That's a lovely, lovely bucket full in there. I don't know, might be getting on for 10 key maybe. You know what I'm like. But that's it for now. It's been a busy day. I'm just going to chuck them in as light iron. I've got a bit of copper to cut out of them though. So tomorrow I'll cut all this lot off. Look at that. So I'll cut all that off and go out in the morning. So that's why there wasn't a video last night, because I've been trying to sort all this out. I had to go and get that wheelchair, and I took apart a boiler as well. So I had a busy day. But that's it for now. I'm going to call it quits in this one, and the next time you see me, hopefully, I should be on the streets of Southampton cleaning them up one street at a time. Yeah. Alright, until then, be cool, be kind, or try and be. Unlike some of the people in my comment section, but I'll deal with that later. And yeah, I'll see you next time. See you later, guys.